Bonjour mes amis. Today our journey begins with a roll of graceful entrance of the Acoma Super Comtesse, a French delight straight from the vintage years of 1979. Behold, as we unveil this petit classic, its 50cc engine whispering tales of a bygone era. The Acoma Super Comtesse has a little 50cc engine right under the seat. Oddly, the engine runs, but it won't start. After checking, it seems the trouble is with the ignition coil. In this little car, there are 4 tiny openings on the side at the front and 2 in the back. Now our adventure takes on whimsical turn to a fishing float, where our petite companion joins the scene. Watch as we transform this aquatic stage into a canvas of restoration, bidding adieu to debris and rubbish that dare to challenge the elegance of our French icon. Time for a little TLC. I've taken out the seat for a deep interior clean, saying goodbye to dust and any leftover bits of paper. As I continue the care routine for the Acoma Super Comtesse, I'm giving the exterior a well-deserved wash. Watch as I refresh the sleek line and bring out the shine, ensuring this petite beauty looks as good on the outside as it feels on the inside. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe for more Acoma Super Comtesse updates. If you have any questions or interests, drop a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Let's put it back on the road.